Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. All right, let's dive in. First, open up your web browser. In the address bar, type RunwayML and hit enter. Now, from the search results, go ahead and click on the official website. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the sign up button. It should be easy to spot and give it a click. This will take you straight to the sign up page. All right, moving on to step 2. Head back to the RunwayML signup page. Paste your new Gmail address into the email field. Then fill in the rest of the details like your username and password. Don't forget to confirm your password, and when everything's filled out, click Next. Step 4 is to verify your account. Go back to the temporary mail site and check the inbox for a verification email from RunwayML. Open that email, grab the verification code, and return to RunwayML. Paste the code in the verification field, then click Validate, and you're good to go. Once your account is verified, you're all set to explore RunwayML's free features. Feel free to click around the platform and check out cool tools like text to video, image to video, and even background removal. Now, here's the best part. Once you've used up your free credits, you can just repeat this whole process by signing up with a new temporary email address. That way you can keep using RunwayML for free over and over again. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content.